What's up, everybody? Thanks for watching Jeazie TV. I'm JuJu.
Hey guys, you already know who it is.
I'm always laughing at somebody. And Lyric back there. We about to go pick out some pumpkins because we carving pumpkins today. Having Sunday dinner at the house. I was gonna start vlogging earlier when I went to the brunch, but I didn't because I was too tired. But I'll just put some clips in of that brunch. It was a little drag show as well, so
I thought they ate.
But yeah, I'm still tired from the party we had last night, so
yeah, I'm getting white.
Yeah, that cold weather bringing her natural paleness back out.
Y'all see how I look, and then look at them.
Shut up! Come on, y'all. So we gonna get these pumpkins because we are running late. This will be big, so you can.
This is a baby pumpkin now.
That ain't no baby pumpkin. That's a big pumpkin.
Here's a little one.
I want they ain't got one that got less stuff on it. I guess, is that just dirt? I guess we can wipe it, wash that off. Is that just dirt? Or...
Yeah. It's on all of them.
Oh, okay. Okay, that's the one you want? Oh, there goes the lyrics.
Mom, where's your pumpkin?
I don't know. I'm about to find one that I want.
Yeah, this is your pumpkin.
That one does look like a good one.
That's that one.
We gotta clean them all off.
I want a floor one.
You want what one?
I want a floor one.
You want a floor one?
Yeah.
These kids can never act right. They won't act right now because the camera on, but I can never take them to the store, especially this one. He be just dancing. And she just be trying to pick out everything. Stop. Right? What you gonna paint? Larry, you wanna paint your pumpkins?
Yes.
Okay.
No, do markers. I want to do markers too.
Markers?
Yeah.
Okay, well get some markers and get a little paint.
Okay. Look, what paint you doing?
Maybe we need to go buy the
They only wanna do you dirty.
Already?
Oh girl, you ain't tired.
I have my hand.
Are you cutting a pumpkin? Are you gonna paint one?
Yeah, I'm gonna cut.
It's Good Wally World sweater. Both-handed. He could be. We'll see. Once he start really writing.
Yeah, I couldn't do nothing with my right. I'm straight left-handed. Just see something weird.
I know. Just be all in the way.
That's weird. And that is weird.
Everybody. There's our dancing machine right there. There's Jada, she got a big old heart.
That's a big body.
It's like, ooh. Can't get it. I'm blocking the light. Alright, there we go. Jay. Miracle's still working on her. Eric Pools.
Lyric, there's no birthday.
Right, nobody's birthday.
Couple. Here go Moms. What you doing over here, Eric?
Making the
The
Mom, can you come in real quick?
I got good fire this time. It's our best fire we've had. Oh, I got the little lights under there.
Y'all got it made, boy. I ain't never had
Kids about to go get their s'mores
The
on.
whole entire house.
Yeah, it do like a moon. I'm swear. The full moon. Jay, bring all the stuff. I'm gonna put it on the chair so they can make their s'more. Here. Well, it's for you too.
Put it on the wood.
They said forget the chocolate and the
Y'all's gonna burn, Jada.
the graham crackers.
Okay, good. Jada, you're gonna on fire. Blow it.
What a graham crackers.
Right there.
Safer. This one's safer.
Couple before work.
Hopefully it tastes good. Them the off-brand ones.
I'm gonna say no. The other one needs to get roast. The other one's not getting roast. No, I'm not costing you anything.
Not costing you anything.
I don't know how to take this off.
Lyric, no. Throw that.
You got it on both sides.
Wait. Here, let me put it in there. Okay, come here.
No.
Who texting you?
Graham cracker light.
Light. Y'all done.
Make some more.
Chocolate. The chocolate. Eat chocolate.
Go, Lyric, come here.
Chocolate. Somebody put the chocolate.
Why are you yelling?
Dang. Chocolate.
Bro, y'all not gonna get no dinner.
I am. You're not the boss of me, you're not my mom.
I cannot call your mom.
Oh, you don't know her name.
See, she just gave me her name.
Thank you.
Bro, no.
Thank you. Can I blow it up? It's just hard.
S'mores leg.
Oh.
Not the steak leg, it's
Okay.
the s'mores leg.
Okay. Whatever that is. There's something going on. That's abstract art, girl. That's abstract right there. Yeah. Only artists know about that. I'm swearing.
Help on supervisor. Make sure nobody gets burnt in it.
What you singing?
I need mine dead.
Good wood this time.
You're what?
I need mine dead.
Is it good? Nobody. Is it good? I gotta make me one. She's videotaping as well. Jada always have her body.
How's the weather? How's the weather in North Carolina?
Oh man, it was beautiful.
Come on in, raise up. Take your shirt off. Put them on your head like a helicopter.
Like it was freezing. I was like, this is not bad. There's a little jacket.
You guys ready to tell scary stories?
Yeah!
Standing out here. All the jambalins and stuff is right over there in the corner.
Toby, look back.
There's a gobbler right there behind Jada too.
It was in there somewhere. I don't know.
You don't see that goblin behind you,
Is it
Jay?
in the bag? Jaleesa, chocolate in the bag?
Oh yeah, some more up there.
Where
It should be on the table. I think I only grabbed one of them.
Look, see it?
Oh, I'm saying. Like no bugs in there.
No bugs.
Goblin bug.
Bugs.
Oh,
Don't touch it, it's gonna burn.
Good.
what is it?
It's a stick.
Little soul, sick love song.
There you go.
Be careful.
There goes my mommy's pumpkin. She left it over here. That was Lyric's pumpkin. That was Eric's that says Eazie. There goes mine, my little abstract going on, you know. And then Jada has a heart. And it say J on that side. Darlene and Toby took theirs already. And Miracle Money's is in the back. But there they go. Looks cute and festive. Y'all see my little, these my little Dollar Tree finds. The little, I'm out of breath, y'all, because I'm fat. Like the little Dollar Tree ghost solar lights. And I got these. Those aren't Dollar Tree though. Those are from Home Depot. But yep, I change them out every holiday or season. And we got these too, the Beware.
Taking just be. Don't take it. Taking just don't be. And live my life. Don't take it personal. I ain't lying. I ain't hiding. I've been grinding.
Alright y'all, so I'm wrapping up tonight. This whole weekend has just been super long and I'm tired. My body feels it. My hair is feeling it because it's just sticking up. I had it pinned up like this today, so I took it down. Now it's just doing what it wants to do. But yeah, I had a lot of fun this weekend from Eric's party. That was a lot because I had to set up, I had to decorate, I had to cook, I had to bartend, I was recording, I was taking pictures, okay? I was doing a lot. And then I was cleaning up. So that in itself had me tired, and I was drinking, so yeah. And then I sat up here and woke up Sunday morning and went to brunch. And the brunch was free and they had free mimosas, so I had about 5. And then after that I had to drop off the popcorn machine. Somebody had rented out the popcorn machine, so I had to take that and pick that up. I had to go get pumpkins with the kids, as y'all seen, and we carved them and we did s'mores, and I'm tired. Not to mention Friday I was doing all the running around for the party, so yes, I'm feeling it. So tomorrow I'm chilling. Only bad thing is I gotta get up and take Jada to school at 7 in the morning, but other than that, after that, I'm gonna put it back home and I'm chilling. But I'm still gonna probably do some writing, and I might post a blog tomorrow. So I hope you guys are reading those, going to my vlog, you know. And make sure y'all check them out. What to do, Ju. Y'all gonna be tired of hearing it, but I'm gonna keep saying it. But yeah, let me know if there's anything y'all want me to write about, because I will do that, or make any videos about, because I will. But yeah, that's how I drink my tea. Make sure y'all drink your tea. Get your herbs, okay? Because especially with this corona going on, this is what you need. I drink them every day. I'll be putting like 3 tea bags in a night, because you know, it helps my immune system. It really does. It really does, okay? That turmeric, that burdock, that elderberry. I take my elderberries vitamins. Y'all want to do that? Listen to me. Know what I'm talking about? Not really, but I don't really know what I'm talking about, but it seems to be working for me, so I'm gonna do it. Anyway, I'm rambling. Thank you guys for watching. Go ahead and subscribe. I will see y'all on our next video.